Hi, welcome to Flower Factor. It's great to be back in the studio here in Holland, and today I'm going to show you a really interesting and versatile design using a new product called Charmelia. So the first bit with this design really is just a little bit of preparation, just a tiny bit of hot glue on one side of the skewer, place it on the leaf, and then another little bit of glue on the other side. Then we take another leaf and just rest that on there. Then place your loop on the tube. The next job really, grab your power tools, get your drill, and that's where we drill out some holes in which we can mount the skewers that we prepared earlier on. And then we're just going to place firstly the tubes, next with the skeleton leaves, and these are going to go in amongst the tubes. Again, just bring them in slightly different heights so they're not all the same. I'm just going to add in along the base just some bits of wood. You could use bits of bark, branches, and then we're going to add water with your tube filler to each of the tubes. Now it's the fun part to add the flowers, and in this case this beautiful Charmelia. I've removed nearly all of the foliage, leaving just some of the foliage on the top of each of these little stems. I'll just use another flower, in this case this beautiful eustoma, a double flowering eustoma. Just a few little rattan cane, just feed some of these into the tubes. So here we have the final design with all the different ingredients. It's fun, it's lightweight, it's very natural, it really showcases the beautiful Charmelia flowers here, and I really hope you enjoy it. Take some inspiration from it, but before I go I just want to show you the scaled down version, which would be ideal as a gift for Mother's Day or actually any time of the year. So this little version here I've just made on a stack of wood slices, drilled out some holes. The tubes have actually been placed direct into the base, just secured with a bit of hot glue. Again with the skeleton leaves, a couple of little magnolia branches in there. Again, really simple, 3 stems of flowers in this. Thanks very much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed this session and this design, and I look forward to seeing you again on Flower Factor very, very soon.